Hi guys and welcome back to your favorite channel Naija News and Entertainment. BB Naija lockdown, Lucy breakdown in tears as Erica advises her about other housemates' behavior.
God had said that whole week. It was basically Katrina and I running the whole house. After everything, you people sat down on the round table and broke down every single thing. And I was like, what the fuck is wrong with this group of people? Like,
Last night, BB Naija housemate Lucy broke down in tears over her housemate's attitude to food. The housemate had an argument on Monday night over food sharing and hoarding of meals. After the argument, Erica went to the garden and had a conversation with Lucy. During the conversation, Lucy started crying, complaining about housemates judging her. How do you people sit down and judge me for the same thing I'm doing for the good of the house? No one does anything for me, but when I do, they are not satisfied. I do things without expecting anything in this house, Lucy said. Erica, consoling Lucy, advised her not to overstretch herself in the house, but to do her personal stuff. Erica said, do whatever you like doing. Do your personal stuff. Don't overdo it. Act, don't overdo it and hurt yourself. Don't overdo anything because you get stressed. Don't expect things from people because if you overdo, they don't rate it, you'll be frustrated. Housemates are against you because of your shout, manner of approach, but we appreciate you, that's a fact. We appreciate your handwork. I'm always here for you regardless of everything that happens. I'm here as your friend or host partner. If you ever need anyone you haven't done If you ever need anyone, you don't have to be alone, Erica said to Lucy. Okay guys, what do you think about the housemate's attitude towards Lucy? And from the look of things, it seems the food in the house will be a problem for the housemate this week. Share your opinion on all of this in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of watching, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.